Hey there German learners, today I'm here to help you with a common problem that so many of us face when learning a new language. You can write German very well, but when it comes to speaking, things get a little bit trickier. If you're tired of staying silent in the conversations because you don't feel confident enough to speak, then stick with the video because I'm going to share you a step-by-step guide to transform your German speaking skill. So let's directly jump into this. Step 1. Shift to thinking in German. Our first step might seem simple, but it's a game changer. Start thinking directly in German. When you translate everything in our head, we waste our time and overthink. Imagine you are at a cafe in Berlin and instead of hesitating, you are just ordering your coffee in German. Start small, like when you are at home, doing everyday things like Ich gehe ins Wohnzimmer, I'm going to the living room, or let's say Ich gehe auf die Toilette, that means I'm going to the washroom or I'm going to the toilet. Or simply Ich koche Abendessen, that basically means I'm cooking dinner. Just narrate the things what you're doing but in German. Narrating what you're doing helps you to get used to thinking in German. A quick practice, what you're doing right now, write it in the comment in German. Let's get thinking in German right away. Step 2. Master basic small talks. So many conversations start with just a hi, how are you, or like what do you do, and if you get comfortable with the basics, you will find a lot easier to start a conversation in German. Here are some few essential phrases. First, wie geht's or wie geht's dir, okay? So wie geht's means how is it going and wie geht's dir means how are you. Next we have was machst du beruflich. Was machst du beruflich means what do you do by profession or what is your profession. And the third essential phrase can be ich hätte gerne. Ich hätte gerne means I would like to have. For example, if you want to order something in cafe, in restaurant or other places, you just say ich hätte gerne, then the thing you want. Knowing these key phrases makes you ready for the day-to-day life conversations. So give these phrases a try out loud. Repeat them again and again until they feel natural. Step 3. Mimic native speakers. Want to know a great hack for speaking? Just mimic native speakers. Find a German show or a YouTube channel or even a song and practice repeating what they are saying. Just notice how they speak, the tone of their words, the rhythm and the flow. You can even start with short and simple phrases. For example, from a popular show.
Was machst du hier?
Notice the way they say, was machst du hier? Listen, repeat and try to copy the exact style. Not only it will help your pronunciation, but you will start picking up the natural tone, like the natural flow of the language. Step 4. Find a speaking partner or join a group. Alright, now let's dive into the secret weapon what will make you become fluent, and that is finding a speaking partner or joining a group. Here is a little backstory from my own journey with German that really made all the difference. When I started learning, I was like lot of you, focusing on grammars, vocabulary list and taking classes, but what actually pushed me to become fluent wasn't any of that. It was not taking German courses or going to the school. It was meeting a friend who spoke German better than me, even though he was not a native speaker. We connected through our secondary school, and at that time he could speak 10 times better than me. He was faster and more fluent. Whenever we had a conversation, I would make all kinds of mistakes, but he encouraged me to keep speaking. We would meet up on the weekends, we would grab coffee and just chat in German. There is something so powerful about talking to someone who is a little bit farther along the way, and looking back, those were the moments that really shaped my German fluency. So if you're serious about speaking German, then find that friend or join a community where you connect with others. It doesn't matter if they are not a native speaker, just find someone who is equally motivated like you. And that's where our German school community comes in. There you'll find hundreds of like-minded people who are working on improve their German skill day by day. We have got everything you need in one place. Intensive courses, trainings, live calls and a supportive community. And the best part, it's completely free. So don't wait, just join now before it gets a paid membership. Step 5. Be confident and don't be shy. Finally, we have the most important step of all. Just be confident. Don't worry about your mistakes. The mistakes you make, they are the part of the process. Remember, no one is judging you. They know that German is not your first language. People in Germany are genuinely supportive and they appreciate your efforts you make. So just go for it and express yourself. Alright, so let's recap our steps to go from a writer to speaker. Start thinking in German, master small talks, speak out loud when you are at home alone, mimic native speakers, find a language partner or a community, and most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.